If you want to learn how to create a subdomain in Cloudways, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's go. So right here from Cloudways, your dashboard, we're going to go ahead and look for the application where we would like to add our subdomain. We're going to go to domain management here, and simply here's your list of domains. We're going to go add domain, and you can currently see I've got a domain www.blaze.com. right? What we want to do, we want to say add domain, and a subdomain, we want to just use the prefix that we need. So let's say we want to just go sales.blaze.com. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go save changes. Your subdomain is now added. Now you just need to go ahead and update your DNS settings. If you actually go ahead and you can make this one your primary if you'd like. And you can update your DNS settings and your subdomain will be added and it'll also be active.